Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Tuan Nur Afifah binti Tuan Muhammad Izani. Today I would like to present to you the e-presentation 2. First of all, the introduction. For a simple introduction of TechCycle Technology and Berhad, it is located at Pelabuhan Kelang, Selangor, and it's a company that specializes in recycling and recovery of unscheduled waste. For the venture creation, their mission is to envision being the preferred scheduled waste recycler in Malaysia. It aims to achieve their vision through practice of sustainability in every aspect of the business with persistence and commitment, determination and patience. It further aspires to one day being able to achieve zero waste through maximization of resources. For the mission, TechCycle is committed in doing its part by engaging in continued waste and means to reduce all possible threats to the environment. It embraces all relevant national and international efforts and inspires awareness on environmental protection to the community at large. For the second mission, TechCycle believes in sharing their resources with their most important shareholder and their employees who are given utmost priority. Their mission with a continuous commitment in ensuring that their employees work in a safe environment and return to their family safely. This is the graph, the bar graph of cost structure. We can see here the increasing of the bar graph, which is of current assets, current liabilities, shareholders' equity, and the net asset per share from 2015 to 2019. Here is the biomass model, business model, which is involved, which we can see here. Next is the political. TechCycle aims to change the perspective of the public regarding the image of a scheduled waste recycling and recovery plant. TechCycle has practiced pollution control, waste minimization, cleaner production, and promoting environmental awareness as the part of the company policies. Where employees are concerned, activities such as buying recyclable materials made of paper, glass, tin, and etc. at a higher price market and competition or reusing household and the contaminated factory waste into art craft and useful equipment and continuously carried out to encourage healthy competition while instilling environmental awareness. Externally, TechCycle has joined many initiatives to be transparent to the society, its business operation, as well as its efforts in environmental protection and preservation. The many awards achieved over the years proves themselves that TechCycle is aiming high to a role model in scheduled waste management industry, which the TechCycle achieved the awards prior 2013. This is the economic bar graph of customer growth and the revenue growth. Over the years, the group's core business aspiration has been expanded tremendously due to ongoing endeavor to be preferred scheduled waste recycling company in the region. As of today, TechCycle is entrusted by the Malaysian Department of Environment to treat a total number of 31 types of scheduled waste codes within the country, compared to singular license scheduled waste code inception. Up to date, TechCycle has over 5,700 registered customers, with the numbers steadily increasing. Next is on social. TechCycle reported a net loss of Rm 465,000 in its first financial quarter ended March 31, 2020, on the back of 32% year-on-year decline in revenue to Rm 5.42 million. It had made a net profit of Rm 1.15 million a year ago. The net loss was mainly due to operating expenses incurred to the RE project in the UK, as well as lower investment gains for its units trust because of the economic downturn. For technological, they have installed their own panels of facility rooftop, which is effectively save 400% of their electricity costs because their business require high electricity usage. The TechCycle had successfully installed a REEP on its own site at Teluk Godong, and was almost ready to generate electricity from decontaminated biomass and supply it to Tenaga Nasional Grid. For legal, legislation and regulations is deemed to kick in as protection from violation of certain rights and processes for the betterment of all stakeholders. Environmental-related regulation attempt to protect public health and the environment from pollution by industry and development. The environmental-related regulation, be it locally or internationally, have sought to develop methods for collecting interpretable quantitative information about the costs and benefits of environmental regulation in areas where compliance imposes a financial burden. Awareness to the health risk of non-compliance is lower, and officials are less trusting of the data on which regulations are based. This may affect the scheduled waste management business in the country depending on the laws passed. Some laws could impact adversely on the existing technologies and marketing strategies, requiring significant changes to be made in eyeing for compliance with those set rulings in line with upgraded environmental quality standards. And then for the environmental, first is about the recycled medical waste in UK. On July 13, TechCycle announced that Southern W2E had entered into memorandum of understanding with Medisort Ltd to work together to set up facilities to process 3,200 tons of medical and clinical waste a year via a high temperature incinerator. And it is also carrying out joint research with universities and foreign establishments on converting food waste into liquid methane. This could be a replacement for cooking gas. Just imagine, from your food waste, you can create gas that can be used to cook for next meal. So it's something that they are working on to solve the issues being faced in landfills. If the project kicks off, it will be quite major for the waste management industry. That's all from me. Thank you.